Stop and Shop Grow and Learn seed pot consists of instructions on the inside, a pod cardboard container, a cocoa seed starter, and a marker of the vegetable or seed you're planting and some information about the harvest and the plant date you put on here. It's showtime! Inside the seed starter, you're going to get your seed in a packet. And in this packet is a paper towel, and the seed gets watered and will sprout out through it. If you do not have a seed starter kit and you want to simply grow something, you can grow a tomato. Just need a recyclable container, seed starter or Miracle-Gro soil or any type of soil, and something to grab the seeds once they start to sprout. Over a given amount of time, you're going to grab a seed and you'll start to see your seed sprout and place it in the soil. When you allow some time, a couple of days, your seed should start to look like so, growing nice and tall. Your seeds will start to grow and look like so, real nice and tall. Experiment with seeds. This is a lemon tree. This is an apple seed. It takes about a month to get to this growth. And if you're interested in flowering plants and trees and shrubs, this is a crepe myrtle. This takes about 5 months to get to this growth. And if you're interested in taking a cutting and trying to grow one and get the stem to root, this is a golden sapphire dewdrop. It takes 18 plus days to start to get a stem to root. Within 3 to 5 days, you can get iceberg lettuce to sprout, a very fast growing seed. Grow and Learn seed pod is a great way of starting a garden. Herbs, veggies, fruits, you name it. I hope to see you on other videos to come, and thank you for viewing.